Okay, guys, we're gonna start what is this? Part four of the door building video. So, as you saw in the last one, I got all the hinges done on all of them, and all we really need to do is just sheet metal it all and do the latches and hinges. Or sorry, the latches and the striker plate. So that's what we got here. Okay, so this is what we got. So this is what we're going for. Basically, what I'm looking to do on the front at least is there are two spots where you can drill out holes that are marked for the OEM door strike plates that go in here. There's a bracket that go in here, so we're gonna drill those out, see if we can find those holes, and then what I'll do is I'll build a plate off here, and then I'm not really sure what I'm gonna build off that, if it's gonna be like some angle iron or a bolt head. And this is the latch that we're using. So what I'll probably do is recess this just a little. We're gonna come in and put it somewhere in here. So that's the plan there. On the rear, what I'll probably do is I'm gonna riv nut these two holes, build a plate, and I might cut out this plastic when I build that plate so that I can just leave it in there always. Build a plate, again, build some sort of striker plate, and then yeah, we'll kind of line up, see where this hinge ends up. I'll probably put it flush here. That's pretty close, so I don't know. We're kind of just winging it, so we'll start by drilling out these holes and seeing where they go. Okay, well, there are the holes, so that's good. So I'm going to re-drill the other side and see what's going on there.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we're back working on the doors here. And I just wanted to show you, my buddy came over and helped me out. Wow, he did all this, which is sweet. And it gave me a good idea and kind of really helped me through this because I was kind of stuck and lost on it. So my boy did a lot for me. So this is the plan here. We got this nice plate, 2 bolts. Now we're just going to do a plate. Obviously I have to trim that. We're going to do threaded rod with nuts. And I have this mocked up to where I want it. Perfect. So yeah, that's pretty much the plan on the front. What I got going on here, I got the plate, wait, no. I got the plate cut out, so right here. So I'm just going to drill the holes, and that'll get us right where we need to be. So I painted off just the backside of my bracket, because once I get these on, I don't really want to take them off. So here's what the plan is on these back ones. There's 2 holes here. I think I'm just going to mount it right here, bolt nuts on the back, and then what I'll do is I'll drill a hole in just like on the front, threaded rod with some nuts and then a nut on the end. Okay, I don't know if you can see this because it's kind of dark, but I had to do some butchering on this to make it work. So the plate will cover all this up anyway, but yeah, now we're just going to mimic that on the other side. Got all the plates mounted, got the bolts in, the nuts, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around and I'm going to stitch weld all the latches now, and then yeah, when that's done, I am ready to start sheeting it. Perfect. I just traced out the first door. It's a rear door, so yeah, I'm literally just gonna use a grinder. Cut it out. I wish I had a better way of doing it, but yeah, that's all I got, so we're gonna go with that. Just gonna line it up. We'll have to cut out where the hinges go and then cut out where the latch is. Okay, so just to do a little update here, so I got both both rears done. So there it is. Not the prettiest things in the world, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna seam seal it, and then I'm just gonna bed line it anyway. So should cover that up as long as it's solid. So we're gonna get started on the fronts now. I just traced out the driver's side door, so we're gonna cut that up. Okay, we're just doing some grinding on here and capping off the ends. Okay, I'm just doing the final cleaning and test fitting of these, and as you can see on this bottom one, same with on the other one, I already fixed it. We got a boat out here. You see it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna look on the other side, see where I can bend it in. I'm gonna make a cut in the tubing and then bend it in and then weld it up. Marked, so we're just gonna make our cuts, bend it, and then weld it back together. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to pull it off. I'm going to prime it with some Tremclad rust paint. I'm going to spray paint it black with some Tremclad, and then I'll bed line it or flex seal it or something on the exterior. I just want to make sure that no moisture gets into it and it doesn't rust, anything like that. So in the next video, what I'll do is that'll be the final one. I'm going to finish it up because I'm not going to do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick another piece of 1x1 tubing here and then sheet this lower half. So that'll be after camping this weekend. So hopefully I'll get that all done maybe next week. Then I'll just do a final video when it's all 100% done. So there, that's part 4. Thank you.